So there is this recurring thing about Agile Retrospectives, and when we think we do them well, and sometimes we think we don't do them well, and we just completely stop doing them. The recurring pattern in the last 10 years as an Agile coach, I see teams doing the retros, and they're coming out, I'm asking them, hey, how was it? And they're like, well, it was great. So what did you learn from it? Well, we talked about this, about that, and they're very excited about playing the games. And the thing is, good retros aren't about playing games. I don't know how we got there, that we think that we're playing a game and have a team that's doing, hey, let's talk about the good things, the bad things in one word. And they talk and they talk and talk, and after 45 minutes, they think they've done the retro. They went through the motion of the retro, but we're not seeing any improvement. So is it really a retro? If a tree falls down in the forest, nobody hears about that. Did the tree really fall down? Well, here's the thing. Here's the thing. We need to start thinking about what benefit we're delivering to the organization. I'm going to do a series of talks about what retros need to be and why they suck in most organizations. And the first thing I want you to understand, it's just not about playing games. It's about being effective as a team. So I'll see you next time.